Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove payment method on Google Cloud. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and go to the Google Cloud website. Once the page loads, click on Console to open the Google Cloud Console dashboard. After entering the Google Cloud Console, look at the top left corner and click on the navigation menu, the three horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, find and select the billing option. Once you click on billing, it will take you to your billing account page. Here you need to select Go to my linked billing accounts. After opening your billing account, click on Manage Billing Account at the top to continue. When the billing management page opens, you need to find the Payment Methods section. Click on the three dots next to the Payment Method settings and then select Payment Methods. Now, wait for the page to load. You will see the list of payment methods that are currently connected to your Google Cloud billing account. Find the payment method you want to remove and click on Remove next to it. After clicking Remove, Google will ask you to select the new payment method. Go ahead any of your existing payment method and then click on Save and Remove. Once the confirmation is completed, the payment method will be removed from your Google Cloud billing account. If you have other payment methods added to your account, Google Cloud will automatically use those methods instead of the one you removed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove payment method on Google Cloud. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.